Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up computer time. First, navigate to your system settings, typically found in the Start menu or by searching. This guide will help you ensure your computer's clock is always accurate, whether you prefer automatic synchronization or manual control. We will cover the essential steps for both methods, including how to manage time zones and daylight saving adjustments for optimal precision. For most users, setting your computer's time automatically is the easiest and most reliable option. This feature allows your system to connect to a network time server, ensuring your clock is always perfectly synchronized. It updates regularly, often every few hours, so you never have to worry about your time being off. This is especially helpful for maintaining accurate timestamps on files and for scheduling important events. Sometimes, you might need to set your computer's time manually, perhaps if you are not connected to the internet or prefer specific control. To do this, first disable the automatic time setting. Then, you can click the Change button and precisely adjust the date and time yourself. Remember to save your changes after making any adjustments. This method gives you complete control over your system's clock. Setting the correct time zone is just as important as the time itself. Your computer uses this information to display the local time accurately. You can often set your time zone automatically based on your location, or choose it manually from a list of over 100 options. Also, make sure the Adjust for Daylight Saving Time Automatically option is enabled to avoid having to manually change your clock twice a year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.